Oh, wow, yeah, look at this, like the... Yeah, there's like a big... What is that? Before you see how amazing this location is, I just wanted to let you know that I'm going to tell you where it is, how you can fly it, and how we can fly it together with full permission. So all of that information is going to be at the end of the video, and there's also going to be a competition to win this Radio Master and a copy of Velocidrone. I'll put chapter markers throughout so you can go to whichever bit you like or skip straight to the competition, but I think you should watch the whole video because you won't believe how cool this spot is, and you'll see how I got kind of taken aback by it. I just grabbed my GoPro, didn't even have Hypersmooth on, just hit record, you know, and just grab whatever footage I could because it took me by surprise. Check it out, let's turn this around. Look at that, you know when you're driving up to a spot and you can just see it looming on the horizon, you know it's going to be a good FPV spot. Ooh. Now then, what a day! Yeah. This place, and we actually have permission to fly it. I'm so excited.
Oh, you mean over there?
Yeah.
Oh, that would be perfect.
Just follow the road down.
How are you, by the way?
Alright, thank you.
Beautiful weather for flying today here.
He's got his table again.
Yes,
Professional
table.
Yeah, that pro table. Looks incredible.
It's sick, absolutely sick. You can do gaps everywhere, especially look over there.
Look at that for a bit of rope. Yeah, what a day. Yes. What a place.
There's a table.
Yeah.
That's his professional table,
yeah, crazy place.
Yeah.
So we need somebody really clever with a drone. Do you know anybody?
Oh, we're looking, but we'll keep searching.
We've got a spiral staircase in there.
Oh gosh, wow.
And there's 80 treads, and it goes round 10 times.
That sounds like a challenge.
Yeah, it is a challenging thing.
I just stand in there and look up.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, that looks quite...
Oh, that's challenging.
That's pretty tight. I mean, it's possible, maybe.
Have you got a low-cost version?
Not really, but...
I've got one I found on the roof. What shall I do with that?
So this is the drone that Stuart found on the roof. Who does it belong to? We don't know, but it's taken quite a harsh crash.
Yeah, proper crash.
DJI Care might cover it. But yeah, we'll have to ask around, see whose it is.
Well, I've got lights in there, so we can plug them in if you want. Wow. When your eyes adjust.
Yeah, take my sunglasses off. Ooh, echoey.
So this is very high.
Wow.
So if you come closer, it's quite safe. This is pigeon shit, mind you, we're standing on, but it's quite safe.
Yeah.
If you look.
So that is the way down to the mine, is it?
Yeah, it doesn't go down though. If you have a look in there.
Oh god, I don't know if I dare. So you've climbed down there, have you?
No, you can see.
Oh, okay.
If you lay down on the floor.
Amazing.
So if you like, we can put lights on. We're just keen on using the site for events, you know, and I just thought,
yeah,
if there isn't a drone festival, then maybe we've got the place to have one.
oh well, that sounds interesting. So this could be a location for a drone festival. That sounds absolutely epic.
Yeah, we've got 8 acres of land.
Yeah.
It just wants somebody that's connected. That
well, there's currently
can have racing or competitions or people selling drones. Well, I don't know.
Get into this building from the other side, from the roof.
Yeah.
I did that.
Oh, look at that for a dive hole there.
Yeah.
Look.
For me, this is the first place where I've been diving such a tall obstacle, and it was so exciting.
Yeah, you got an adrenaline rush.
And my fingers were like, oh.
That's where they used to do explosive training.
Wow. Hope they exploded all the bombs.
Yeah. Do you know something? We found dynamite the other day.
Really?
Right today. Turns out it wasn't dynamite, but we found these sticks that were 1 inch diameter, 18
Oh
inches
my
long.
God.
No detonators. And I was shoveling them. So I got in touch with the coal authority, and they said, send me a picture immediately, remove everyone from site. And they came back and said, we're pretty sure it's resin. Because what they used to do is drill a hole in the rock, ram the dynamite in with a detonator, and then put a resin stick in after.
And the resin was what it was.
Oh,
that's a relief then.
So
my God,
from there
this
you
is
can,
cool.
that, again it's straight up the...
Oh yeah, it goes up. It goes up and out. Oh, thanks.
You can dive inside of that tower.
This is such a, this is like a photographer's dream, isn't it? Look at all like the retro TV and everything on the floor.
I mean, you can take this down if you want, or maybe you don't need to. But if you went in there, obviously that goes up 62 meters again. But this one is more light. You can get in the windows there. You can fly in.
So it all links up. That's what's amazing. So you
can fly in there, up there, down there, and out the other end if you want. If you're going to use this opportunity to promote a potential event,
yeah,
if you wanted to organise something,
could do.
And maybe this would entice people to say, I'd love to go and fly there.
Exactly.
What we can't do is open up the place because of insurance and all the rest of it, just for a couple of people to come round. But if there was like 20, 30 people,
could totally
event
do
insurance is £200.
Right. Yeah.
So you've got 200 quid before you start.
Yeah. But yeah, with enough numbers, I'm sure we could do that.
It depends.
I'm sure we could. Have to try.
The interest it depends whether someone or maybe yourself actually wants to organise.
Well, there are a couple of guys already organising an event. It's not till 2022, and people are so excited about it. It's basically a drone festival. Right. So I think people would much rather have one sooner because they're excited, you know.
You want something in
and I don't think it would.
Or August, doesn't it?
Well, yeah, exactly.
While the weather's good.
That's it. Yeah.
This here is the lift cage. That's laying down.
Is
that
it?
Actually went down the shaft. Oh. That's a double-decker lift cage. Have a look. So
we're getting the guided tour. I'm enjoying it. Yeah.
It's not sealed. You've got that grill, but they are filled. And they went down 920 metres. So come around here.
Wow. So this would have had a load of people in it, and
this had 36 people in there. 36 people in there, and this is laying down. It was double-decker. So that little staircase there, we went up there and into the top half of the lift.
There was a lift going,
Yeah. And then there was two. There's one going up, one going down.
What did they mine here?
Coal.
Coal.
They took 1 million tons a year out of the ground.
There must be a big empty cavern somewhere underneath.
Miles, small caverns, but miles of them. And it's 920 kilometres down. 920 metres down.
wow, so nearly a kilometre deep into the earth.
So this space is quite interesting.
Yeah, that's my favourite.
Wow, this opens up a lot.
Oh, this is a nice space here, yeah. It just shows you different aspects of the buildings, doesn't it? So it's not just like an old warehouse, it just everything's different.
Oh wow, this is cool. Yeah, look at that.
You'll see in the other room. Yes, over there.
I need to move that out.
What is that? Some kind of...
Processing must be for
It's a
coal.
motor.
That is a big motor.
Yeah. AC supply came into this building, and this is an AC motor. And the drive shaft drives the DC generators at the other end. So basically this is just converting AC power to DC motors. So, because the main winding wheels, they're DC.
Right.
There's so much you can use, isn't there?
Oh, definitely, yeah. Definitely.
We're working outside now, but when we come inside, we're going to fill all these holes in the concrete. Heapstead 1,
Yeah,
which has got that headstock. Heapstead 2 with that headstock.
right.
Then the powerhouse has got this area, the ground floor, and then the main area. So there's like 1, 2, 3, it's 5 areas.
I mean, that's perfect for an event, because you could split the areas up to have different pilots doing different, styles of flying. You could have like a race event in one spot, small drones in another spot. And there's so much room where you could camp.
Yeah, we could do all that, yeah, we're allowed to do that.
Like people camping out.
Yeah, you could have caravans, motorhomes, tents. So if you want to have a chat, I'll just go around and get this door open.
All right.
Okay,
Thank you.
yeah, cheers.
He's a great guy.
Yeah, amazing. Mate, I can't wait. I just want to get up and fly now. I mean, I'm really excited.
Here, over here.
What, in here? Are we waiting? He's going to open
Yeah,
it up?
no, that's in. I'll just have a look what's in here.
Whoa, yeah. See, this is more like it. Oh, wow, yeah, look at this, like the... Yeah, there's like a big... What is that?
Do you feel this place?
Mate, this is like so exciting.
It's just more than dream.
Yeah.
After you, sir.
Oh my God, look at those things. Wow.
sides. Over there you have windows which you can fly out of or in.
So when you're looking round, there are 6 staircases in this building. So you've got 2 at the front.
Yeah.
2 that we came up.
Yeah.
And then 2 going onto that balcony.
Right. So plenty of access, which is good.
Yeah, and I'm just thinking if you've got a route.
Yeah. Yeah. So I was thinking for this video, just do like just fly this place and just quick basic video.
It's demanding.
This is so good. It's so much better than I thought. Like, we need to make basically a festival, a drone festival. We need to make it happen.
I'm glad that you feel
like,
it as I felt it.
Well, he said minimum like 20 to 30. He needs 20 or 30 just to cover the insurance. And they've had other events here already. And you could have an amazing racetrack around here.
And you don't need to do anything. Just tape this, tape that, here, over here. You can develop the tracks every race, really.
Yeah, definitely. Well, you could have different areas, like I was saying, like you could have like a tiny whoop area, you could have like a freestyle. Yeah, you could fly indoors. Just when there's nowhere to fly. I'm worried about my drones though.
That's why I'm taking my spare drone. I'll give you a go if you want.
Oh, is this the Basher?
It's the one which I call Betsy.
Oh, poor Betsy.
And it was, I was on the beach. Empty space.
Yeah.
And I hit the post. Nearly hit that post.
What, you hit the one thing that was
You
there?
only on the post.
Yeah. I know, but look at it. I want to hit all these gaps. When I say hit, I mean obviously go through them.
Of course.
But like, there's a lot of hard things.
Yeah, because if you crash, it's a one-way ticket.
I need to be careful. I'm going to go cinematic style just to show off the place. That's my plan. Man, I'm buzzing after that. I was taking it easy as well. Oh man. So the name of this place is Clipston Colliery. It's in Nottinghamshire near Mansfield, and we can fly it together, but we need a certain number of people, as you saw in the video. So I've actually taken it upon myself to set up an event. I've done that on Eventbrite, and I'm going to do a special announcement video when the tickets for that go live. There's only going to be a very limited number of tickets, probably 50 pilot tickets, because I want to make sure everybody gets a chance to fly. Once those pilot tickets are gone, it'll be open to the public for like cheaper tickets, and there'll be more people there. But there's only going to be a very limited number of pilot tickets. So if you're interested in coming along, meeting up, flying, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you see when the next video goes live, and you'll be the first to find out about the tickets. We've also got this competition for the Radiomaster TX12. This thing is absolutely excellent. It's smaller than my Tyrannus, but I quite like that about it. It fits in the bag easier. It will fit a full Crossfire in the back. It doesn't come with batteries, but I've bought some really good batteries which are now in here, and they'll come with it. This was given to me courtesy of fpvworld.co.uk. They're a new shop in the UK that sell FPV gear, and what's amazing about them is they only show you on the website what's in stock. So you don't do that Google search, end up on the site and find out it's out of stock. The other thing is the customer service, absolutely excellent. Fast delivery, you get a little 5% discount voucher and even some sweets in the package. I mean, what more can you want? Just wanted to let you know they exist, fpvworld.co.uk. Thanks to them for giving me this Radiomaster. To win it, all you've got to do is comment below, and you'll also win a copy of Velocidrone. So if you've never flown before, now's your chance to start. You can do it for absolutely free by just winning this competition. And this will make a great backup radio if you are a pro, or maybe even your main radio. I've tested it out, I love it. So all you got to do is let me know in the comments, are you interested in coming along and flying this cool location? Do you want to stay for the whole weekend? Because we have arranged camping, toilets, food facilities. We're allowed to play music. You can bring your own alcohol. This could be absolutely epic. Let me know if you're interested in the comments so I can gauge how many want to come, and by doing that you'll be entered into this competition. In the next video I'll announce the winner, and I'll also let you know when the tickets go live. So let's cut to the flight footage so you can get one last look at this location. I took it pretty simple and cinematic just so you could see everything. It's basically a one-take shot with some music to it. Check that out, and I'll see you next time.
Yeah, watch out. There is a bar. I only hit it. Come on, land on the professional table here. Yay!